If you want to link your Epic Games account to your Nintendo account, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the full process step by step so you can connect both accounts quickly and get back to playing without confusion. Whether you're setting this up for the first time or you just need a refresher, this guide will make it simple. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy gaming tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to epicgames.com. Once the Epic Games website loads, sign in using the Epic Games account that you want to link to your Nintendo account. Make sure you're using the correct Epic account here, especially if you have more than one. This step matters because the link will connect to the account you sign into now. After you're signed in, look to the top right corner of the page and hover over your display name. A menu should appear. From that menu, click Account. This will take you into your Epic Games account settings, where you can manage profile details, security options, and connected accounts. Once you're on the account page, look for the section called Linked Accounts. This is where Epic Games lets you connect external platforms like Nintendo, PlayStation, Xbox, and others. In the Linked Accounts area, find the Nintendo account option and click Connect. As soon as you click Connect, a new pop-up window will appear. This pop-up is asking you to authorize the connection between Epic Games and Nintendo. Click Connect Account to continue. After that, you'll be redirected to sign in to your Nintendo account. Enter your Nintendo login details carefully, then follow the on-screen prompts to confirm the link. If everything is entered correctly, Epic Games will finish connecting your Nintendo account. Once the process is complete, your accounts will be linked and you'll be able to use Epic-related features on your Nintendo profile more easily. This is especially useful if you play games that rely on cross-platform progress, account verification, or linked services. If you run into any issues, double check that you're logged into the correct Epic Games account and the correct Nintendo account. A lot of connection problems happen when users are signed into the wrong profile by mistake. Also, if the pop-up doesn't appear, try refreshing the page or allowing pop-ups in your browser settings, and that's it. You've now linked your Epic Games account to your Nintendo account. It only takes a few minutes once you know where to go. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss more quick step-by-step tech and gaming guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.